Welcome to the Decision Support in Informatics help video for the Surface Interpolation tool as part of the hypothesis verification systems. The Surface Interpolation tool will allow you to create a continuous layer from discrete CSV data points. To begin using the map, you need to select the algorithm to create your surface. You can choose from inverse distance weighting, nearest neighbor, or spline. For further help, including a description of each of the three algorithms, select Help. Once you've chosen the one that suits your needs, select it below. We're going to use the inverse distance weighting method for this example. You're greeted with a blank map, which can be navigated with the plus and minus buttons, and the base map changed with the toggle on the right. To begin using the application, you must first load a geocoded CSV. Your CSV file needs to contain latitude and longitude information and at least one column which is a number. There's a sample file available. A sample file containing rainfall information is available under Step 1. This is the example file given. Notice it contains a latitude and longitude column, and at least one column which is a number, in this case precipitation. You can have as many other columns as you'd like, in this case a label for the station ID. If you have a geocoded file in this format, you can now go back to the application and load it. To load your CSV, click on Choose File and navigate to the file on your computer. You can confirm the columns that contain latitude and longitude information, and additionally your numbered value. We'll stick with precipitation. Once you're happy with your selections, click OK and the map will automatically be generated. Here's a map of weather monitoring stations in and around Malawi. Each of the points will contain whatever information was in your CSV, in this case precipitation values. To create a continuous surface from these discrete data points, we'll move on to Step 2, Create Surface. By clicking on the Calculate button, we can bring it. Next, click on the Calculate button. For the vast majority of our users, please leave the defaults, unless you know what cell size and power you would like. Next, when you click the Create Surface button, the continuous surface will be generated. After the geoprocessing is complete, your continuous surface is shown beneath the discrete points. You can see the legend showing the data values from high to low, and you can select the transparency of the surface. Now, to further examine the continuous data set, zoom in or out, and look at the diffusion. You can also remove the points if you'd only like to examine the continuous data. If you'd like a copy of these continuous data, simply click on Download Raster Data. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can clear all and load in new sets.